One of the most beloved musical acts in the world today is a South Korean idol group, BTS. Do check them out, their songs are awesome. However, there is one song by BTS that you should be very careful about. It is by far their scariest song. Not only that, it's the scariest music of all time. The song is Go Go. Although not one of BTS's top songs, it is probably their catchiest song. But look carefully at the lyrics. Dollar, dollar, squandering it all in one day. Run, run, I make and waste my own money. Worked hard to get my pay. Gonna spend it all on my stomach. Woo, there's no tomorrow. There's already a mortgage on my future. Woo, spending my money even more. No. Like I said, so scary. Before we continue, song lyrics are open to interpretation. Personally, I don't think the lyrics of Go Go is advising people to waste their money. The more accurate interpretation is that Go Go is a parody about putting your financial worries aside and enjoying life in the moment to the maximum, and is expressed in an exaggerated or even sarcastic way. Of course, this is not the best way to enjoy your life. Blowing up all of your money or even getting into debt just to enjoy life in the moment to the maximum is a recipe for disaster. You must always control your expenses to ensure that you have extra money to save and to invest. However, this does not mean that you cannot enjoy your life. Of course you can. All you have to do is allocate some money for fun and prevent yourself as often as possible from spending impulsively. In other words, budget for it. You can also find alternative ways to have fun that could save your money. For example, if you are hanging out with your friends and you are going out, you will then be spending more money on food, drinks, and snacks. Let's not forget about transportation costs. It is also likely that you will pass by other shops and be tempted to buy something impulsively. Instead, suggest for your friends to hang out at your house. Cook the food in your kitchen, buy drinks in advance from the supermarket, and divide the cost amongst everyone who attended. Very likely, it'll be much cheaper than going out, and you will save more money. It is possible that your friends may not like the idea, as hanging out at home may not be cool enough. But consider this: extra money in your pocket can be used to increase your wealth. Street cred does nothing to add to your wealth. However, you don't actually have to get rid of your friends, unless, of course, they are generally toxic people. Your friends may be adding other types of value to your life. There is nothing wrong with wanting to spend some money to enjoy life. Just make sure that the required expenses are planned for in your budget and are not extravagant.